Melanie Cameron here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Banker Seacoast Advantage. Today I'm at a beautiful new community in the Bayshore area in Ogden on Catherine's Cove. It's just coming out of the ground, built by Hagood Homes, a very great builder in this area. Nora Ruehle is a colleague and real good friend of mine, and I wanted her, she's a listing agent, I wanted her to tell us a little bit more about the community and what it has to offer. Nora?
Thank you, Melanie, and welcome. We are very excited about the community. Just started, and we actually have our first contract already. This land was originally known as the Hardy Park. For the people in Bayshore, they knew it. A lot of great memories here, riding bikes, walking dogs. They really have enjoyed it. So Hagood Homes has purchased the land, and we're building and continuing with the family memories. We'll have 34 homes when it's all said and done, primarily one story with a room over the garage and a full bath, and that's kind of the niche market. They have everything in their homes are completely standard. They have wainscot, drop zones, undermount lighting, fireplaces, screen porch, the list goes on. I mean, they're just detailed. The zero entry showers, the lighted mirrors, we just love it. We love everything about them. So we've been here just a couple of weeks now, and we're excited to say we have our first homeowner.
It's a great neighborhood. Hagood Homes has been in the Wilmington market for years, and one thing that I love about it, it's a husband and wife team. Troy, his wife, designs all of these floor plans, and they're so functional and great. What's the square footage range out here?
Well, we like to say that Troy designs her plans per the pound. They're not, you know, we kind of get caught up with square footage numbers. But if I had you walk through here and ask you the square footage, it's always that you'd say they're larger than they are. But we're pretty much starting about 2,200 square foot.
Okay.
And Troy Kenny is the innovator. I always felt like she was the one to watch when people were building new communities. A lot of times I'd look at her plans, her ideas. She's cutting edge, leading edge, and what she offers, people say, I own a Hagood home, and it's because of the husband-wife bond that they have and the team that they offer.
They do a great job. And what are the price points out here?
We're starting at $399, and we'll probably go up to about mid-4s.
Okay.
And one of the real special things here that we have that not many new communities offer is it feels like a neighborhood. You know, these are all a third of an acre, and they're wooded and they're treed, and you can ride your bike up and down the streets and meander into communities that you're not going to be competing with new construction for a long time to come.
Okay, so it's a great community. You said 34 home sites, homes starting in the high 3s and going up from there. Square footage from 2,200 on up. All good usable floor space. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 910-202-2546. We'll come out and see Nora and her on-site agent, Hannah, that's on site out here. It's a great neighborhood, real close to all the shopping in the Porter's Neck area, and about 15 minutes to Mayfair and the beaches. So
not even.
Yeah. Thanks for having us out. If you have any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Melanie. Appreciate it. Thank you.